Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nico's Trading Academy, and welcome in my video where I summary all my trades from October. Currently, I don't have any trades running. All my trades were closed due to my management plan, and I was able to achieve 7.55% profits in October. And currently we have 35.17% profits in the whole table. So those are the trades from the end of the April until October, as you can see here. So they are quite good results. This is just the basic strategy, mainly trades on the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, and sometimes if I see opportunity also on the 15-minute time frame. So it's not really you don't have to spend too much time in front of the PC. It's enough to check the charts once a day, twice a day, depends of the volatility. You can always set the alerts, etc. So I decided to monitor though this type of the strategy, so you can see that it's also doable, it's possible. Without sitting in front of the PC all day long. Those trades are also discussed in my live trading room. And like I said, this is just the basic strategy. No bounce trading, no Renko trading, no aggressive scalping. So completely relaxed way of trading. And the goal is that our account will grow steadily without any issues. You can always increase the risk when you trade, when you have confidence, when you know your numbers. So you will double those results. So it's never a problem if you want to get more from the market, or of course add some different strategies. So if you are interested to have such results, or even better, I would like to invite you to visit my mentorship website. Link to this website you will find below this video in the description. If you like, you can just leave your name, email, and I will get back to you. We'll have free chat just to understand your needs, your issues, etc. By joining this program, you will also get access to the Advanced Trader program from Nico's Trading Academy, where I do my live trading room. If you want to learn more details, of course, below you have all informations about the process, about the strategy, example of the strategy, which I also use in this live trading room. And just quickly want to tell you that we will focus on the technical part, planning part, and mindset, which is for me the most important part in trading. So I will also show you proven technique which you can work with to improve your mindset and find your real obstacles. Okay, link below to the website. Feel free to contact me whenever you need. And okay, so our trades right now, I will focus on them from the latest one. So I will go through the GBP Aussie, GBP Yen, GBP US Dollar. We had two trades, 15-minute and 1-hour chart. This 1-hour chart gave us very good profits because we risked 65 pips and we made 250 pips on this trade. GBP New Zealand DAX, we had two trades, 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart, one against, second with the main trend. USD Swiss franc and gold. So yeah, so let's go to the charts directly. Just quickly will show you what exactly I did here. GP Aussie, like I said, 15-minute trade, and price, was pushing up. We had 4-hour chart long 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, late entry, steep entry, but of course, then we want to use the lower time frames for our chart. And on the 15-minute time frame, we had like a textbook example. We had our 1, 2, 3 here. Entry, stop loss, didn't work out. Fast losing trade. Sometimes we have fast winning trades. This case was fast losing trade, but part of the game. Everything was good here. The only thing that this was late and steep. So if you say, okay, it's too steep, I don't want to, but it's always possible. GBPN also price was going up, so we had up move, uptrend, and on the 4-hour chart previously price was in this area of in this wedge. We had breakout, so we could find first setups here. But then we had this 4-hour chart again. You see 4-hour chart, 1 to 3 after breakout of those highs, and 15-minute gave us exactly the same scenario. We have 4-hour chart, 1 2 3 together with the 15-minute entry. First target hit, second target hit, and I managed this on the 4-hour chart to try to improve results in case if price, of course, try to go, to the tops. But we were stopped out with the retracement. As you can see, if you manage this on the 1-hour chart, which was possible also, you would double your bonus lot, because our bonus lot was closed with the 50 pips. This would be 150, so even more, like three times more. Yes. Question. Of course, we never know if the 1-hour chart works out, or the 4-hour chart works out. Sometimes you manage this on the 1-hour chart. Yes, you are stopped out here. Price will go retest 4-hour chart and then push again without you. Let's say. Yes. So we never know. Question is, what is your expectation? What is good for you and what you want? Okay. GBP US dollar. So we had one very good trade, which was taken here, and one day trading trade, which was taken here. So this was on the 15-minute chart. This was on the 1-hour chart. So let's focus on this first. And we had this 4-hour chart, short 1 2 3 here. Price was going down also on the daily time frame. As you can see, we had this down move. So on the 4-hour chart, combinations with 15-minute, we had this. We had two setups, by the way. First, second. I took second entry. First target, second target, I hit. I close manually because it should be closed here with the correct risk management. But the thing was that here we have strong support level. So when I saw that price is not really breaching this, I just decided to close it. So I had winning trade. Yeah. Then of course price broke it, but you never know. It's also up to you. And I managed this on the 1-hour chart, and trade was closed here. Again, if you manage this more aggressively, maybe you will get a little bit more, but not so much. And this nice trade on the GBP US dollar, which bring us very good profits. It was trade against the main direction, 4-hour chart trendline breakout, together with 1-hour chart setup. Here we have our setup. First target hit, second target hit. Stop loss was 65 pips, and I was managing this trade on the 4-hour chart time frame. So I was following 36 EMA. As you can see, we were stopped out here, and then price went down again. Now is retracing, but again, you never know. Yes, this is my plan for management. I do it in this way, so I stick to the rules, follow the rules, and results, as you can see, they are as they are. Okay. GP New Zealand, no, it was very difficult trade because I waited like 2 weeks for second target to be hit. Idea was simple: weekly long 1 to 3, possible continuation to previous top here. Daily was this, had this range. After range breakout, we had our setup entry. First target was hit here. Second target, as you can see, was hit here, but we had to wait this, and it lasts for 2 weeks. Then price, you see, started to go up. We also had 4-hour chart long 1 2 3 here. It's like on the GP Aussie, but it was false entry also. So that's why I managed this on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, stop loss was here. So last lot only 150 pips. So it's almost like 1-to-1. Not much, but still okay. Now we are out because of that. It still can continue to go up to the previous top. Sometimes it goes straightforward, like as you can see here. Sometimes we have some retracements in between, which might kick us out. DAX also trades were closed. I took 2 trades. 4-hour chart against the main direction, which didn't work out. Okay, we were target was daily 36 CMA. price missed this EMA a little bit, so I didn't even have chance to manage this trade, so it was full losing trade. But then, as you can see here, you see price missed this 36 EMA. Then we had this long 1, 2, 3, and this gave us opportunity to enter the trade. We have two two options for our chart, or I took it on the 1 hour time frame. Here, sorry, it was like that. Okay, entry, first target, second target, and then I managed this again on the 4 hour chart. So I was stopped out here. Okay, so I was stopped out here. So bonus lot 1,500 points. USD Swiss franc also trade, which was not easy. Idea of this was bounce of the support, possible retracement where to the 36 CMA of the weekly chart in case of the breakout. Next resistance. Trade was closed. This was a similar situation like on the GBP New Zealand, that we had this range here, and after range breakout we had this not very good steep setup. Entry, first target was hit here, second target was hit here, and because of that I managed, because of this what happened, I managed my stop loss here. So this was, I was stopped out, and now price went up, but all was with my plan. Stop loss was maybe not so big, a bit below the bottom, around 7 pips, but also you see price was slowing. So I decided, okay, let's and I think there was resistance level here. Yeah, so that's, I said, okay, there is resistance, it's slowing down, so maybe we'll get deeper retracement. So I was stopped out, but this was also a good trade. Again, we really had to wait for this whole move around really even 3 weeks here. Yes. And last is gold, which was the first trade in the October 4 hour chart with the 15-minute. Here was our 4 hour chart 1, 2, 3 with the 15-minute entry. I think this I discussed already in the previous videos. This was a very fast trade. First target, second target, and I even didn't have chance to manage my stop loss because price make deeper retracement immediately, didn't continue to push. So I cut the stop loss by half only, but it was not possible to manage, as you can see on the 4 hour chart, plus range and then continue to push up. Okay. So guys, that's all my trades from October. Again, those are the best results for now in terms of 1 month, 7.5% profits, risking 1% per trade. As you can see from the end of the April till now, I took around 60 trades. It's not much, so definitely you need to learn patience, but as you can see, it's worth to wait. In June, as you can see, we had a little bit more losing trades, but if you pay for the July, August, July, September and October, as you can see, if you really patiently wait for the setups, even no, I sometimes take 15-minute time frame, but if you want, yes, you really have like 1, 2 losing trades per month. Yes, 2 losing trades here. So really patience will pay off. Always the problem is that we can't wait, and we start to take the trades in the wrong market situations, wrong market price action, only because we have desire just to take action, just to take trade. And as you can see, you don't have to trade every day even to get stable profits. Yes, because we at the beginning we say about that slowly grow account, no matter how many percentage you will get, but you will gain confidence that you can grow your account. Okay, so if this is good, yes, if you know what you do and you are sure that you can do it because you repeat the same things and you see that account is growing, no matter how big percentage you have here. Again, this is another issue in trading, that we always want to have 10%, 15%, 20%, etc. Then we usually fail because we think in the wrong, we have wrong mindset in terms of the trading. But if you are good in growing account, even with the basic strategy, what you can do, you can always add another strategy, scalpings, bouncings, bouncing trading, or completely different. There are a lot of the strategies, yes, and then you can slowly improve your results. Yes, so keep in mind, start slowly, steady, even with the small profits, but steady, that you can really grow, and not that you grow then you end break even or losing, then again you grow, then again, and it's like always the same, up and downs, not going straight forward up. Okay. um, again, if you are interested to get such results, or even if you have your own strategy but you have difficulties with your mindset, just go to my website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. Link you will find below this video in the description. Just fill your name, email, and I will get back to you. We'll have free chat. You will tell me your obstacles. I will tell you how I can help you, how my process will look. Also below you have all information about me, about my offer, together with the free trading strategy, swings trading, which I use in this Excel file, and also my mentoring plan example. This is what I will do with you, if of course you need all those parts, because if you say that I have my technical part, I have my trading journal, training plan, but I still struggle to make profit, it means that the issue is with the mindset. So I will work with you only with the mindset to improve your trading skills. And below you have some videos which explain more in more details what we will do together. So again, if you are interested, let me know, fill your name, email, and I will get back to you. Thanks a lot, guys. Wish you all great weekend, and we hear soon. Bye.